From an elevated platform or the top of a power pole, attach a guide ring to the messenger wire. Attach the first spiral hanger to this guide ring. Next, guide the first spiral hanger out. Connect the second spiral hanger and guide this out as well. Repeat this process until the first spiral hanger reaches the next power pole. If the distance between power poles is 50 meters, 30 spiral hangers will be required. When the tip reaches the next pole, affix both ends to the appropriate poles with terminal clamps. Next, using the shuttle runner, a specialized application tool, guide the installation tool for the cable towing rope through to the next power pole. When the installation tool reaches the next power pole, remove the shuttle runner and attach the installation tool to the cable towing rope. By pulling the installation tool back to the first power pole, the cable towing rope is placed within the spiral hanger. Finally, attach the cable to the cable towing rope and tow the cable through the spiral hanger.